How to fix Roblox drop of FPS or lag or slowing. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix the drop of the FPS is very simple. Just go to the top corner, I'm sorry, go to the top here, click on the logo of Roblox and click on the settings option, and then all what you have to do is so simple. Just scroll down and make sure to make the full screen option off like this, and then scroll down and go to the graphics quality and make sure to make it as low as possible like this. If it is higher, you will have a bad FPS if you have a bad phone, so make sure to make it lower as possible, and then go to the performance state here and make it off, and now go back and check Roblox, and I am sure that the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.